Hi, my name is Ruby. I'm from DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to talk about ready-to-use Advian cockroach bait arenas. These stations are pre-filled with the popular Advian roach bait, making applications easy and convenient. These enclosed stations help protect the bait from contaminants like dust and keep the bait fresh for up to 3 months. They can be used both indoors and outdoors in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. To use, place the Advian roach bait arenas in the areas where the cockroaches frequent. You can place the arenas on horizontal or vertical surfaces using the included adhesive backing on each station. In the kitchen, apply stations next to and beneath the refrigerator, underneath the dishwasher, and under ranges. Place arenas behind microwave, toasters, blenders, coffee makers, and other appliances. Mount under the sink where the pipes enter the wall and on the corners of cabinets and drawers. In the bathroom, you can mount the arenas on the upper rear corners of the toilet tank, under the sink where the pipe enters the wall, and in the cabinet and drawers. When placing Advian roach arenas, be sure to use enough stations to control the cockroach population percent. Typically, placement is 3 to 10 arenas per 100 linear feet, with more arenas being used with heavier infestations. Do not place the arenas in areas where insecticide sprays have been used or will be applied. This will make the bait less palatable to the roaches and make it less effective. You will need to check your arena placement periodically. Replace arenas after 3 months or when the bait is depleted. Advian cockroach bait arenas contain the effective ingredient indoxacarb, a non-repellent insecticide that allows roaches to eat the bait and spread it to other roaches. This allows the entire roach population to be controlled more quickly. While the label does not exclude any roach species, the entry holes are designated to target both large and small cockroaches, like German roaches. Roach bait is an important part of roach bait treatment plan, and these roach bait stations can be used as part of the bait rotation program to avoid resistance in roach populations. Make sure to carefully read the product label to use Advian cockroach bait arenas safely and effectively. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.